Hello guys, my name is TonyaNicole and welcome to my world. Y'all, that is so corny and so whack, I know. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am TonyaNicole, your host for this beautiful Monday, guys. Yeah. So today we're going to be unboxing our Allure Beauty box. This is one of my favorites. This is one of my channel's favorites. So I am very anxious to see what's inside, especially since I haven't seen any spoilers or watched any reviews on this box yet. So if you guys want to see what I have inside of my August Allure Beauty box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your weekend was. Okay, guys. So before we even go any further into this video, I'm just let y'all know, if you're not subscribed to TonyaNicole's bomb-ass subscriber squad, I don't know what's going on with you. I think you sleep, you need to be woke. I don't know what's up, but you need to subscribe to this channel. You need to go on and like this video, and you need to watch what's in the contents of our Allure Beauty box, baby. Come on now, get with it, y'all. Friday, I was in some pain. I had a root canal, which y'all all know, and I appreciate all of you guys' well wishes and prayers. Oh my God, my supporters are so bomb. I love you guys so much. Y'all, I am feeling 100% better. Thank you all again so much, so much. But today, girl, we got this Allure Beauty box and we're about to cut it open and see what we got. I'm not making this a long video because we need to just get on into it. For you guys that do not know, Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 6 deluxe to full size items. I don't want to call them sample. Well, some of them are sample size actually. And it's supposed to have a minimum value of $50. Y'all know Allure has been killing it for me. I'm hoping this month is the same since last month was so good. I haven't seen any unboxings or got any spoilers for this month, so I'm kind of clueless as to what's inside of this box. Let's cut it. You guys ready? In the inside here, it says hashtag Allure Beauty Box, and on the inside of the box is all of the contents for this month. I'm gonna let you guys know it's about to rain here. It's quite dark, so we're using ring lights again. So if there's a glare, guys, I apologize for it now. Every month, it comes with this little brochure here that gives us all of the products as well as the full-size prices of the products that we received. So as you all know, I'm going to put the price down at the bottom and we're going to do a grand total towards the end of the video. Just keep in mind, guys, that some of the products are not full size. They may be deluxe or sample size, okay? All right, this is how the bag looks for this month. It's like this beautiful lime green, neon yellow. I think it's like a neon yellow bag, like a highlighter yellow bag for this month. Hi guys, so first up we have from Benefit Cosmetics. It's this mascara here called They're Real. So I'm assuming it's like a faux lash mascara. This is like a little deluxe size, and this is what it looks like outside of the box. Just a nice charcoal gray tube, I guess that's what you would call it, with the silver top. Very cute. So basically, guys, this is like a faux lash mascara. I'm not gonna go into too much detail about this, guys. It's just a mascara, and this retails for the full size for $25. Up next, I am pulling out these eye-catching, what this says, eye-catching instant results from, let's see what this company is. Erno Laslio. Girl, I know I said that wrong. This is a multitask eye serum mask. Oh, okay, cool. I know there's a glare, guys. I'm sorry. But it's like 2 little eye serum masks for your eyes. I always need eye products, and I'm definitely going to use this one. It says it's a silky all-in-one hydrogel patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major signs of under-eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Oh, okay, guys. So we're definitely going to try this out. Sorry for the glare. It's this pretty little pink package right here. And the retail value for this is $35. Now, I don't know if it comes in a pack, like a multi-pack or something, but I know that this little one set is not $35, so I would hope so. Up next, we have from Primera, this Alpine Berry Water Cream here. And that's what the outside packaging is looking like. And this is what it looks like outside of that box. And let's see what it says about this little product here. It's a Korean beauty product and it's a moisturizer that the bouncy gel feels rich but absorbs fast. So it's the perfect primer. Oh, it's a primer and it hydrates intensely with glycerin and cocoa seed butter. Wow. Oh, it smells medicated like, and this is what the inside contents look like. Very hydrating though. Ooh, but it smells like it's medicated with something, guys. I don't know, but the full size of this little product here retails for $40, guys. Up next we have from Nuria. This is a Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. Ooh, y'all know I love eye creams. This has mulberry root and ginseng in it. And on the side here, it says clean beauty, nature inspired. It's vegan, cruelty free, and clinically tested. Okay, so this is what the outside packaging is looking like. And it's from Nuria. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my crickets and frogs outside, but y'all, it's getting ready to rain and it's getting dark. So you know they come out at night, right? This is what we're looking like outside of the package here, guys. A nice tube. This has about this much product in it. So let's see. Oh, no safety seal, guys. But I do like the applicator. It's flat, and that's probably, I'm probably going to keep this in the fridge so that it gets a cooling effect for when I put it on my eyes. And let's just swatch a little bit. It's just like this white cream here. Oh, now that does already feel kind of cool. Oh, and it has a good, clean, fresh fragrance. Oh yeah, I like that. So I will definitely be using this eye cream before we apply our makeup products, guys, because it feels nice and thick, like a good barrier for your makeup. So let's see how much this retails for. And this is the Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. And it retails for $40 for the full size, guys. Up next, I am seeing from Cargo Cosmetics, this Essential Lip Color. Ooh, and this is what the box is looking like, guys. Oh, I love the packaging. This is very, very, very pretty. Just silver, sleek packaging, and it's got a little weight to it. Ooh, and this is the shade here, and this is the shade Palm Beach. I will not swatch this. I'm going to be putting it in a giveaway for you guys, but that is the color. It is very, very, very like hot pink. So, ooh, really? As I was saying, it's really, really hot pink, so I will not be using this. I will put this in a giveaway for you guys. And this right here retails for $22. Up next, we have from Laritzi Cosmetics. Is that how you say it? I hope it is. This is what the box looks like, and this is a Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. As y'all know, I love illuminators. Let's see what color we got. Ooh, this is very pretty. So this is what it looks like outside of the box, and it is in the shade Topaz. And let's open it. It has no scent, guys. We're gonna swatch it. Ooh, it's very sheer though. I mean, I guess you could use it as like a highlighter on your face or as an eyeshadow, but it's very, very, very sheer, guys. But it's very pretty, very pretty. So let's see how much this retails for, guys. And this is the Laritzi Liquid Beam in Topaz, and it retails for $22. And I think that this is a full size. I'm sure this is a full size item. Oh, and the lipstick was too. And the last product is the mini makeup eraser. And this is what the box is looking like, guys. And I think I got one of these in a lashy box before. Let's see. So it's just like a black cloth that you use. All you'd have to do is wet it and take the makeup off of your face with it. So this is always good to have in my collection. And this retails for $12, guys. I love that it's black. It's so pretty, guys. It's so, ooh, it's nice and velvety. Feels good. 12 bucks. So that is the last product that I received in my Allure Beauty box for this month. We're going to do a recap. I'm going to give final thoughts, and we're going to be done with this video, guys. So we received from Makeup Eraser, the mini makeup eraser in the shade black. from Laritzi Cosmetics, this Liquid Beam Illuminator in the shade Topaz. We received from Cargo Cosmetics, this lipstick in the shade Palm Beach that I'm giving to you guys. From Primera, this cream here, hydrator and illuminator. It said it was a primer on the little brochure. We got that. We received from Nuria this triple action eye cream here. And from Benefit Cosmetics that I'm going to be putting in a giveaway as well, this faux lash mascara here. And I think, oh, I'm sorry. And from Erno Lazio, I'm not sure. This multitask eye serum mask, 1 pair, 7 products for this month. So final thoughts, guys. I always love to receive my Allure Beauty box. I'm always excited about the contents in it. This month was good, but not as good as previous months. I'm not really too thrilled about any of the products that I received this month. I'm going to use some of them, but I'm not really like, oh my God. I'm going to use the little eye cream, the eye mask here. I'm going to use the eye cream, and I'm going to try to do something with this Topaz Illuminator. This is always good to use. And I'm going to try the primer out. I'm going to give the mascara and the lipstick away in a giveaway. 4 out of the 7 items is not bad. I just wasn't thrilled this month, y'all. I mean, that's it. I still love Allure. I still think it's a great subscription to have. But this month, it just did not wow me like I normally am. So if I had to rate this box on 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the trash, to 5 being this box is wonderful, thebomb.com. Oh my God. We're going to give Allure for this month a 3, because I'm going to try out 4 of the 7 products. Well, 5 of the 7 products I'm going to try out. So I'm going to give it a solid 3 for this month. Please let me know your thoughts on this box down below in the comments. Let me know what you would rate this box. Let me know if you get Allure, if we got the same thing, if we Allure twinning or nah. Just let me know your thoughts on it. I'm just not too thrilled about this month, guys. I don't know. Hopefully next month will be better. Last month was awesome. So I guess they're allowed to have one little slip up, I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully next month is better. But that is all that I have for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go on and hit that like button if you liked this video. All of my social media handles will be down below in the description box. So that is all that I have for this video. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Peace.